Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're looking for a convenient and effective way to improve your dental care routine, then you need to check out the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser. This handheld flosser features quiet operation, a rechargeable battery, and a range of impressive features that will take your oral care to the next level. With 9 out of 10 dental professionals recommending the Waterpik brand, you can trust that you're getting a high-quality product that delivers results. In fact, the Cordless Advanced Water Flosser is clinically proven to remove up to 99.9% of plaque and is up to 50% more effective than traditional dental floss for improving gum health. The convenient design of the Cordless Advanced Water Flosser makes it great for travel, with a global voltage compatibility and included travel accessories. Plus, with a 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty and a dedicated support team, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're covered. So why wait? Upgrade your dental care routine today with the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing product now. Don't miss out on healthier gums and a brighter smile. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech24 for more cutting-edge tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.